Well, hello everybody. This is Lynn Wadsworth from Holistic Health and Wellness. This is Sunday morning. Well, actually it's Sunday afternoon now. So I just wanted to check in with you, see how your weekend was going. I know weekends go by so fast. But I wanted to talk to you a little bit about migraines because I'm real excited about a couple of things that I've got coming up, and I wanted to just put them out there for you so that you were aware of them and you could plan for them. So you know that the majority of the time my migraine life, as I call it, includes natural and holistic methods to integrate into my life so that it has lessened and made a big difference with how my migraines are, because I used to get 20 to 25 a month and it was definitely a chronic thing for me, and I got to the point where I was really desperate and didn't know which way to turn, and I started looking into holistic methods. This is just a little bit of my story. There was a lot more to it, but the holistic methods that I have integrated have made such a big difference, and now I only get a couple of months, so that is just awesome as far as I'm concerned. And one of the biggest things that I have found, and I've told you this before, is a healthy diet. And so probably as a migraine sufferer you are well aware of the fact that it's very important to have healthy eating habits. I've tried over the years to have a healthy eating habit and have tried to maintain that, and it has definitely lessened the severity and the frequency of my migraines. So of course, like most of us, if you know there are food triggers that trigger things for you, then you avoid those things. That's been pivotal for me in changing my migraines, because mine was so frequent, and for a long time I wasn't really aware of what was triggering them. So I've been able to maintain more healthy days than unhealthy days since I have changed my lifestyle. It's been very helpful. My healthy lifestyle also does include exercising and good sleep hygiene, eating regular healthy meals. And it's also kind of a mindset thing. You kind of lose control, as you know, when you have migraines. And so you have to make a determination to incorporate those healthy habits into your life so that you can help maintain. And that's one of the reasons why keeping a journal can be so helpful, because if you are having an issue with your mindset, or maybe with not really knowing what's triggering them, keeping a diary can really help. When you begin to say that cheese is something that you've had and that's a migraine trigger for you, then it's easier to say to yourself, okay, is it worth having that piece of cheese and then waking up tomorrow with a migraine? And my mindset generally is that no, it just absolutely is not worth it. So that really helps me to maintain control. And really, as a migraine sufferer, you really have to commit to change. Now we know that migraines were always understood to be some type of neurological disorder, and even in between headache attacks you can have some kind of thing, some kind of like feeling tired, feeling groggy, feeling as if you have a little bit of confusion. I'm sure we all have something a little bit different. So I decided I would commit to change and commit to the healthiest lifestyle possible. I changed my way of eating. I learned my migraine triggers. I incorporated exercise and other holistic and natural remedies in my life. And you know, I would urge you to start thinking about something like that. What can you do? What can you incorporate into your life that can begin to help you with your migraines? And I would just encourage you not to give up, because when you go that road, you know, there are days when you have bad days, but you should get right back on track and not be discouraged. Just learn to overcome those obstacles. And yes, I know that can be really hard, and it can be challenging to meet our nutritional needs, especially when you're in the throes of a migraine. So, you know, when you have a migraine, the last thing you want to be doing is thinking about what am I going to eat, and thinking about, oh, I really need to stay hydrated. So it does take work and it does take effort, but you know, you too can have that same kind of positive change in your life where, like me, you're 90% better than you were, which is absolutely fantastic. So I've got a couple of things coming up that will help you on May the 15th, and I'm going to post this for you. I start with a free 4-day clean eating migraine busting challenge that will help you see how, if you're eating a certain way, it can help, and you'll get all of the recipes and everything that you need to help you through those few days. And then I'm doing a migraine webinar on the 24th, Wednesday the 24th of May at 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, and I hope you'll join me for that. And then I do have my group program opening up again June the 5th, which I'm really excited about, because when you've got a group of people that come together, it encourages one another, you support one another, you get the information that you need so that you can be educated in how to get on that healthy track. Then you also have people walking alongside you, going through the same thing, so it's really a kind of special time. So I'm hoping that you will join me for those. I will post them under this live stream, and I hope that that's helped a little, given you some encouragement that there is hope out there, and you don't have to live in that negative, constant pain, constant worry type situation. There is hope and there is a way out. So I hope again that you have a great weekend. This is Lynn from Holistic Health and Wellness, and I will talk to you again soon. Thanks. Have a great weekend.